Hi, greetings for everyone. My name is Lukmanul Hakim. I'm 20 years old and I live in Tao, Sabah. I'm also still continuing my studies in Diploma Yearly Childhood Education. In this English for Oral Communication course, I was given the task of giving speech about animals, which is actually my first time experience making and giving speech in English. However, I found it may become an interesting experience for me, especially when it can also help improving my communication skill. When it comes about animals, there are so many things that can be discussed and talked about. But among all of that, there is one topic that really caught my attention. I'm talking about how important are bees to our ecosystem and how to protect them. It may sound trivial considering it is just a small creature to us, but it's okay. I'm also consider it reasonable if there are still a lot of people that don't realize how big an impact it has to us. Because of that, I came up with this idea in hope to get more people aware of its importance. To begin, we first need to know what a bees actually are. Bees are small flying insects that belong to a group called pollinator, and also well known as honey producing insect. There are more than 20,000 species of bees around the world, and most of bees receive nectar and pollen from flowers as their main food to provide protein, energy, and for their growth. That's why bees live in colonies and created a well-organized social structure with three different types of bees, such as queen bees, worker bees, and drone bees. They also have their own responsibility to the colonies. This structure helps them to make sure they can get enough of nutrients and can continue reproduce with very efficiently. Without this cycle continues, many plants will be threatened because most of plants need bees as a pollinating agent to help them reproduce and produce fruits and seeds. Can you imagine what would happen if bees were no longer help plants to reproduce, especially in terms of food source for humans and animals? Besides, many species of wildflower and plants cannot reproduce without the help of bees. If this plant dies, if these plants die, the habitats of thousands of other animals will also be destroyed. In short, without bees, natural cycle and food chain would be greatly affected and causing many problems, starting from plant extinction to animal extinction, global food crisis, and finally affecting our human economy. We should know that bees actually play a major role in our agriculture and food production. Many fruits and vegetables that we use in our food production depends on bee pollination. For example, crops like apples, almonds, strawberries, and blueberries. With this, farmer not only can make profits through sales, but also can ensure food supply for people around the world. Besides, until this day, we are still using honey that produced by bees to making many useful products for us, such as medicine. Therefore, we can conclude that bees are not only important for nature but also for human survival. In return, we also need to protect bees population from threat of extinction. It is undeniable that most plants and animals are now threatened with extinction by human action. For example, most natural areas, such as forests, have been destroyed for urban development that make bees lose their natural food sources and habitats. In order to recover and prevent this to happen, the government need to encourage people to replant flower. It doesn't matter whether on a small or large scale. For example, people can start replant flower from their own backyards. Other than that, the government also need to tighten laws against widespread deforestation and make some forests into forest reserve. This aims to protect habitats and maintain the supply of nectar and pollen for bees. Furthermore, farmers and gardeners can also contribute in cooperation by reducing pesticide use or switch to more environmentally friendly farming methods to avoid bees from poisoning. Lastly, we can hold a campaign to promote beekeeping. It is because beekeepers had responsibility to taking care of bees colonies, monitor their health and help them reproduce. If you want to change something, we need to start from ourselves because even a small action can help support bees population. I think that's all from me. To summarize, I can say that bees are not just a small insect. It is a frontline defense to maintain a cycle in our ecosystem. That means we have no more excuses to not help protect bees population. By understanding their importance and taking small steps to protect them, I believe that we can ensure a healthier planet for our future generation. Thank you for listening. I hope this video can give us a new knowledge, understanding and awareness.